Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These will be essential for safely opening your laptop and cleaning its internals. First, power down your ASUS UM425Q and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Take a moment to observe the layout. The fan, heatsink, and RAM are typically the areas that accumulate dust and debris. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Remember to hold the fan in place while cleaning to prevent it from spinning, which could cause damage. If you notice any significant dust buildup on the RAM or other components, gently wipe them with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using any liquids, as these can cause damage to the electronics. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back panel carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home for professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service ensures that you don't have to worry about calls or travel, making it convenient for you. Once the back panel is secured, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises from the fan, which could indicate that it needs further attention. Finally, if you prefer to leave it to the experts, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Regular internal cleaning can significantly extend the lifespan of your laptop, so consider making this a part of your maintenance routine. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.